Hey everyone, today we're in a 2018 Ford Edge SEL and I'm going to show you how to Bluetooth connect your smartphone device with the sync system. Today we're using an Apple iPhone 7. If you have a different Apple device, it's going to be a very similar process. If you have a different sync system, we've got a video for that. So click on the link in the top right corner. Before we begin, you might have noticed that unlike Sync 3, Sync doesn't have touchscreen. These 4 buttons correlate to these 4 options. The first thing I'm going to do is click on Settings, followed by Bluetooth, turn it on, and then I'm going to click on Phone, Add.
Search for Sync on your device and select Sync once it is found.
I'm going to click on Sync.
Confirm that the pin displayed on Sync matches the pin displayed on your device.
It does. I'm going to click Yes. Allow contacts.
For your safety, please stay alert to changing road conditions and use Sync's voice-activated features while your vehicle is in motion.
We're going to download the phone book. And we're all set. So let's crank the tunes. I'm going to click on Media. So although I was most excited about playing the music, my favorite part is the ability to talk and text hands-free. But to get that to work, you might have to click on the information button and then allow notifications. Now, when you turn the phone off, the car will do the rest. Hey, we got a text, and we can even listen to it.
What's up?
I hope this Island 4 tutorial helps, and thanks for watching.